We're now in our post-wash experience in our Vacuum Plaza zone. This is where you can really drive home some additional customer value with amenities like free vacuums, mat cleaning, towel service, interior cleaning, and other elements to really drive home that customer satisfaction and add differentiation from your competition in your marketplace. So one of the key elements you can look for in your Vacuum Plaza area is making sure you have the right number of stalls and drops for your customers so you don't have them waiting for that experience once they finish the wash process. From a vacuum perspective, you want to make sure that no matter whether you have one customer using the vacuum or 30 customers using the vacuum, they're gaining the same experience, making sure you have it sized properly and you're using the right equipment like Vacutech. Some of the additional elements you can add in your Vacuum Plaza area to increase your customer experience and satisfaction are pieces like mat racks, compressed air, trash can, and towel bins for your towel service. One of the elements you can really utilize to drive home customer satisfaction is an interior cleaning program that includes towel service, glass cleaner, and an all-purpose cleaner to allow your customers to clean the interior of their vehicle and differentiate yourself from your competition in the marketplace. You can also provide a mat cleaner to increase your customer satisfaction and experience. Custom color and hose combinations is a great way to reinforce your brand. If we've hit our mark in every zone during the wash process, we can ensure our customers are getting a clean, dry, shiny car and ready to come back to your wash.